The brewery that I ran was bankrupt when I got there, and we didn't have a lot of money. Being from Hamilton, I thought if I went to Toronto, I would never be able to afford the agency rate. So I looked around what was available locally. With the help of MJM, we catapulted through the noise of the other brewers that were doing things in a very traditional way. And having my radio commercials and television commercials simple, clear, and to the point, so a customer always understood who we were, that's what MJM did. In the beer business, you have to have some catchy jingles because it has to stay with people. And there are still people to this day that remember those jingles. You know, the beer commercials on television and on radio were ingrained into the consumer's minds. So much so that we became a big thorn in the side of the big brewers, and they ended up buying my business. I have used every type of agency in North America, and you know, there's nothing that beats nimble, quick, knowledgeable, and a company that understands what your objective is. As far as my books go, even though it's a totally different market, it's the same thing. If you want to launch something and you want the consumer to understand that product, you need to partner with somebody that gets your message, and MJM did that for me. So whether it's beer or books, as long as you partner with MJM, they understand what it is you're trying to accomplish, and they help you get there. My father used to always say, you don't tell Michelangelo how to paint. And that's exactly what it's like coming to MJM. They know what they're doing.